We did one for Mercedes, which again was very unique and very simple. It was about this guy, Raymond, who had never tried ice cream before. And it was a great commercial. And it talked about Raymond never having ice cream, and he waited, and, he would watch other people have ice cream, but he was, and then one day Raymond decided to have ice cream. And then all of a sudden it cuts to a Mercedes logo. And then the last 10 seconds, it was for Mercedes. But it was so well done and so unique. But the score was very, very, very unique.
Raymond was best described as a thoughtful child. But his mind wasn't occupied by the same things as other kids his age. Raymond, you see, has waited his whole life to try ice cream. When he was young, Raymond told himself he'd try ice cream once he turned 30. Then it was after he got married. And now it's when he gets the big promotion. So Raymond has just gotten used to saying, well, maybe next year. And to many people, his decision doesn't make much sense. Clearly he wants ice cream. He knows he can afford it. It might even enrich his life, and yet he resists. Still, some nights he lies awake, wondering what ice cream tastes like.